Hey guys, just a bit of a fun video today. Gonna take this little clockwork toy and try and make it into a clockwork pick. Probably won't work, but we'll have a go. Like I say, this is just a bit of a fun video today, and it's a tiny little clockwork thing, but these springy arms got me wondering if I could indeed utilize that with a pick and pick a lock. Let's see. Okay, so here's the lock that I figured I'd try and pick. It's made by Master Lock, and it's Master Lock number 5. And there's a bidding on the key for those that are wondering about that. There you go. Okay, so this lock is number 9 out of a maximum of 10 for level 10 being maximum security, so this is in at level 9. Let's have a go. Okay, I've never seen this done before, but that's probably because it's a stupid idea. But anyway, I'm gonna try and fit this city rake made by Sparrow's lockpicks, and I'm just gonna slide it onto one of these springy arms and secure it with nothing more technical than an elastic band. Okay, so there we go, we have the pick secured with the elastic band. So let's wind her up and see how it does. First I'll show you the first I'll show you that the lock works fine. Okay, just show you that this lock works fine, and as it should do, of course. It's only a couple of weeks old. There you go, nice strong spring on there. Let's lock it up, and I just want to put the lever in and get that ready. Bottom of the key away for this time. Let's wind up the old clockwork thing. And remember guys, this is just a bit of fun, nothing serious. So for you guys that are ultra serious about all this stuff, don't want you crying. Alright, get it. There she goes, she's chooching. See if I can help it a little, because there's not much power. There we go, she's open and still got some chooch in that thing, look. Woo, she's off. Alright, that's just a bit of fun, so let's keep some fun in the lock sport. Like I say, I've never seen a lockwork one but done before. If you can do a better one, I'd love to see a video of it. Catch you later guys.